Let's start back now. Let's start back now. Country. All right, the best chance here. It's also about forextrade and also who's a disclaimer in yes, any information or advice contained in this course is general in nature only and does not constitute personal or investment advice. We will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitations to any loss profit, which may arise directly or indirectly from the use of a reliance on such information. You should seek independent financial advice prior to acquiring a financial product. All securities and financial products or instruments transaction involve risk. Please remember that past performance results are not necessarily indicative of future results. Also say, anything concerning financial products, there is risk involved. But with your group, you try to limit risk. What you say, high limit risk, maximize your profit. But make sure say will past performance, and guarantee future results. So what you say? The answer now be anything about financial products, also seeking for financial advice answer. It's mentor in forex trading, and also in financial investment, or mentor key, and also will be guide through or investments, Sandy panel also a key factor. Oh, send a best factor advisement on the memo on a sign of man. Now could be still seek out. Yes, so what is forex? Forex now coming any day idea. Yes, the Investopedia, I can change of forex. Forex, nothing to tell us. A deal you do not hide. Ya can boom what forex about things are, baby. I know any man. A deal you know, and I can boom. A foreign exchange, FOR, original foreign, and EX, original exchange. It's a foreign exchange. It's forex stand for foreign exchange. It is sometimes abbreviated simply FX. And to cover FX, meaning as a foreign exchange. And here the Investopedia will define the forex MI. Also the exchange of one currency for another, or the conversion of one currency into another currency. But you guys are natural say, exchange one currency for another currency. For example, the Ghana cedis, $1 that's the dollar, Ghana cedis. About sana, just say, perform for foreign day, exchange perform FX. So simply put, foreign exchange is an exchange of what currencies. Investopedia actually you say foreign exchange also refers to the global market where currencies are traded virtually around the clock. And found baby I will be Dubai, or Canada, or US, or UK. Baby I will be Ghana or Togo. Baby I will be at trading for an answer with my foreign exchange. What you say? And the here say you could have a device, either phone or laptop, and I say any electronic device be a bit the application now idea the trade. Where you're good to go, let me at trading. It's an example of foreign exchange. Your friend said, for instance, you go on holiday from the US to Europe. In that case, you take the USD to exchange shop and convert them into euros. By doing this, you have conducted a currency exchange, and therefore you have become a participant of the forex market. No matter how I would be we are saying, obi biara performing forex transaction that you won't get ecosystem or performing forex transaction that it's either say you know skill now what did you now you did you and now say about last month high now for did you major oh yeah view one view oh yeah forex trader I didn't make us oh yeah view one view we are forex trader I didn't make us in the sense that you find what market what in toes in toes only 2 seed in the coin so 2 seed now the coin ato in toes o woman no and only 2 seed na man amount tomatoes in the back and also mama me 2 cedis. So 2 cedis na da mama me no. E wo sika na o da koma no. But my minister kofa nneoma e bia ye kan kofa nneoma no like foreign market. You find say omo kra ne money fra buti neba. The moment omo kra ne money fra buti neba no dey. Who sika no so akwa share foreign exchange money indirectly or directly, you know. One performing a forex transaction because sika no dey akwa to goods, you know, from outside, and I say they acquire exchange of currency. What you say, Ena bibi bia wato bia ewo ho bia be it watade ompaboa obi bia no one way or the other no currencies no omo exchange currencies and sana ena koto product no nam dia brother so the local currency aba beto. It no matter who you are out as you so we a forex trader it as obesua now sua the year now they are moving to make money and now say obetena say now I dey hwehwe na nkofo na dey aye and say a foreign exchange, you know, at all market and so $100 and that's no or exchange shop now and also when $50 €50 €20 €10 €100 no convert ya but then dollar what you say sana foreign exchange I say forex market near them. I see before you start, in order to successfully complete this class, you know, you need a forex demo trading account. It's, you know, after the lessons, you know, a bit or more money forex demo account in and a bit sure before so we be demo account. Now so they are practicing on the forex market. And I say over to me, and they demonstration. Our skill now you bet sure. You bet what every now you're moving on to the players in the market. The pattern one on tia say bia no betin drop one and ask one comment section so tia say so betin drop two na eko you see players in the market ye ba be hwe enkrofo ko a omudi market ni mu akotene pa omo no the participants in the market ye fa say obobo you see akan you see players because one you don't go first 11 for now make akodi page so omo no participants what is how participating on the field of play. I'm not going go keep a bet no over short keep a bet no sound money running in over forex marketing so players in the market. I'm not the participants. And who are the major players in the market? If one can some of the major players in the market. It's a show one by one. So first of all, government. So government now a player in the market or say who individual or say it's the moment or government a player in the market no one way or the other are directly or indirectly or a forex trader by default they don't want to access to pay by default to a forex trader we are fine we are forex trader and found some we are ba we are bema we are penny we are kokura we are forex trader because the government or performing forex transactions. First of all, the government use the forex market to meet certain economic goals, whether it's to have a low exchange rate compared to certain currency or high exchange rate. All depends on what the currency is importing and exporting and many various other factors. What you say, you're exporting here, importing here, the exchange rate, whether low or high. The government contributes to the forex market one way or the other. What is it? The middle players in the market, and you can show the head, head near the government. Now the central bank. In most cases, the central bank is the financial arm of the government. Is the central bank the financial arm of the government? There's a government in holding the central bank, but sometimes the central bank is more independent. For some countries, and central bank also uses the forex market to move around its reserve of currency and monitor the situation and things like the inflation, interest rates, they can count. Yeah, fan say embra Chroma say Ghana. Ghana is central bank. Ghana is central bank if I say Bank of Ghana. What I say, or an arm of the government. It's decided on some financial policies near the idea. Normally, then government not also implement it. Then affecting tomorrow. It's the moment our government, any the central banks that can boom, I put it on board. That's it. implement that's they affect one way or the other. Or someone say, oh, a forex trader by default. You have say betting company, yeah, you get 10% there, that's 2 to 3 taxes, they will be near the never. And it's a number P now by banning and monetary aspects and fast ceremony at the I affected Timamuphone one way or the other. Until the moment I affected now, other complain one complain you. And near the Abba, generally abandoned the nice already. We are forest trader until also already. Or try now sooner skill and also we are financially free. It's actually the third major player in the market. Normal banks. You see normal banks trade on the forex market to find which exchange rate should govern the exchange currencies. Example, you and I, we'll go to a bank and we do exchange there or do some transactions. Those transactions are minuscule compared to what banks do at the national level. They throw around billions and trillions of dollars just to make sure that they have the right currencies that they need for their activities. Say, Marco, Oko Banga, so don't say, I'm going to chart the IRA. We buy at, we sell at, we buy dollar at say, we sell dollar at say, we buy pounds at say, we sell pounds at say. Normal banks now rural, almost on the economic trading on the forex market. That is it. Don't you? Most of them exchange rate higher. But we know a transaction in thousands, like a start think. But when they gather all those money now, they enter into the international level. And the banks in the international level, they pull billions and they pull trillions. So what is it? It's what's one as a Usika the bank, not a home, Usika the bank, Usika a home is out. At the bank, not a home is out because a major player in the market, in the forex market, or the international market, or the make thousands of percentage. Or we are there, we now the visa card cross and imagine what is it? It's not us also on solution forex there. One person away on who's you because we can those who can 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 100,000 Ghana cedis. We have got to bank and the wow in a forest trader who scan the banks are also an investor there and also make this kind of government your car. It's your friend, Mamma Kotuman was saying this when 100,000 Ghana cedis at the home air trending. Also make good use of that deposit now in a bank because banks make good use of Sika. I'm going to Sika a forest market so ever could trade, I could not profit. We are about the do say but Osa do Sika, Osa the visa card crack, Osa Kota the one line, and also do the visa card crack with Compana, but soon as I started so charges the near the other. Okoya now buy. So what is it? If the government is part of the forex market, the central bank is part of the forex market, the normal banks is part of the forex market. Yeah, or some know as individuals, or say there's a team called the forex market. They are the next participant our marketing. So that's the financial institutions. Also, other financial institutions participate in the forex market, and an example would be the pension funds in the USA. There are massive companies who have a lot of money, and sometimes they need to make transactions on all the forex market as well. So what is it? It's financial institutions. Most of the financial institutions are there. Our forex market. So because Oshemua, they show the players never almost Obiawasas should be a big companies, the head of states and they are all on the forex market. It's young said, no, I can't say the forex market. Now say forex market. Very, very sad. Say, okay, forextrobia. Now, what 10 words about okay government? Let me I government work over 30, 40 years. Now, I'll make it better 100,000 Ghana cedis on account. But when I introduce forex man, I say introduce forex for free. I am for group in the they are not joining because I'm not the buying. So what is I'm not the buying? I'm not joining or forex traders data. What is it? And almost can that banks almost banks need to trade, they make more money also. Then they give them nothing at all, nothing, absolutely nothing. What is it? They will take charges from you to like as well. So I think in some information sign banks in the Canada and can print find the also anyhow this is for us trading and a better class all those guys or never chance this can better bankers in the you should make profit every moment. It makes sense. So what I say, it's better so we see why they forex in the year. And if the financial institutions are on the forex market, we need to be on the forex market as well. You see the normal companies, the normal companies, any other company we are around, be it Coca-Cola, other companies, they are around, they do it, the forex market. Other players on the forex market includes normal companies such as the BMW, Coca-Cola, GM Motors, Lugozid, Voltic, the Kekahon, and other multinational companies you can think of. And that's because their companies have an operations across the globe, and therefore they are forced to convert currencies all the time in order to pay some suppliers, pay employees, and so on. Therefore, I say, our company, these are Tuna Foods, BTV4, despite a group of company. Now, or this way. So, our company, branches maybe or Dubai. To me, and spend this city said, Dubai also changing from the city to Dubai currency. So, what you say now, some of the pay the workers coming, or company maybe or US are also changing from cities to the friends. US dollar and oil, and to pay the customers and then the clients. What you say? It's in one way or the other. Normal companies, all the normal companies, the companies, they deal with forex market directly. So what you say? You see the hedge funds. So what's a hedge fund? Hedge funds are actually funds that organizations design to speculate on the forex market and bring profit to their investors. They take large funds from their investors and trade this money on the forex market to make profit, and they earn fees plus commission if they do create profit. You understand? It's hedge funds mobilize funds from other big investors. Yeah, mobilize funds from big investors. They trade on the money for them, and they make commissions and fees, and they make profit as well. The profit that they create. So what you say? These are the players in the market participants. Or more than anything. So what you say? And you see retail trader, finally, normal traders such as you and I, like George Soros, just people who speculate on the forex market to make profit. So they are also a participant of the forex market. And for example, George Soros was able to make over $1 billion of profit in 1 month. That's why he's very famous forex trader. So we went to search for George Soros. Oh yeah, many retail traders. You and I, retail traders. Yes, so your market no say then eco trade speculative market say market never call nifa and answer is it going to buy or going to sell? Either direction there could be, and if you are in that direction, you are making money out of it. Direction any directional buyers they are forex trading. Either way it goes, you make money depending on the direction that you are at that particular time. What you say, if the market is dropping or selling, or it's in a bearish trend, and you are in the same trend with the market, you are making money depending on the lot size and the peak movement that the market makes. If you are in a buying or the bullish or the uptrend, that's it, you are in the same direction with the market, you are going to make money as well. So what I say, you are going to make profit. It doesn't matter. Say if the market is buying, Juana, we make profit. No. If the market is selling, if the market is buying, you can make profit both ways, depending you are in the same direction in the market. The patrol, baby, Yakasa Drone say, Otiasia, throw one, say, Ontiasia, throw two, money.
Questions.
And stop it first, but Mammy, we answer. Otiasia, throw one, Ontiasia, throw two. And you see all these participants together, as you can imagine, create massive volumes of money. And to be more precise, the volume of the forex market is over 6.6 trillion US dollar per day. It's by far and the largest market on earth. And then the largest market on earth. So every blessed day, the forex market needs to meet a pulley over 6.6 trillion per day. Over here now, $100, $200, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000. Cafe be say, employee market and push market cover. So if the market is trading in trillions, now we're trading in hundreds and thousands. What are you doing to the forex market? Everything I was saying, unya daje na unya brain now patient. Our market now to me there. Now utimi making kakra build account kakra. Anything that point be as like I said, our family and friends be person who share forex trading now. And some person who master, some person who pro in forex trading now. Over link your about active trader group, and as a forex network academy, a page, They are training the panel group, Kakra, so they are or $10,000, $20,000, or 100,000 Ghana cedis or an account to Mobanga. What's my deposit? Now a guide on Kakra every day. We make 100, 200, 100, 200, 100, 200, 100, 200. The numbers of accounts now grow 50%, 100%. Now why financially free? What I say? Now me now done. Put me more money. That's what me. Every do account to do baby. I want to always feel okay. Very proud of yourself. What you say? Oh, but me skill win, and I'm making money from what? From the skill. So what you say? By far, the forex market, and the best market on earth. What you say? And the biggest. It's no coma and you see, I'm near 6.6 trillion. Oh, they all compare 1 million a day. No, a bank salary share as they will account the consistency. We will say, oh, group. What you say? And to say that, to send a forex market near there. You see the forex market, the forex in the middle, the central banks, the financial institutions, the big companies, hedge funds, individual trader like me and you, Josh Soyles, the government. What I say, that's the participants of the world, of the market. And you afraid the EBS is electronic brokerage system. Supporting, like making the quotes available to the banks, the big banks, and they make it available. They make the quotes available to the brokers. With the help of brokers now, who individual trader, waiting at trading on the forex market. Without them, we need to go straight to the forex market and because episode trading on the forex market, you need to have huge sums of money. What is it? Millions, and all those stuff. That's what you enter market. But here is the case that forex brokers now and I'm back into our aid. And I'm probably I'm here to me the skaki to every area. With the help of leverage, I'm to me boy to me the area. Trading on the forex market. What I say? It's about all, maybe I don't know. Until the answer to me, I'll be some questions. Wait, this outside.